on my feet, keep my cipher complete like.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy OVO Sounds.eth. And before we start this video, if you could drop a like, turn on the bell notification, and subscribe, that would be greatly appreciated. All an NFT is, by definition, is a non-fungible token. And what that means is it's not interchangeable. And in comparison, a fungible token is something that is interchangeable and can be broken down into smaller units. For example, if you have a $100 bill and you go to a gas station and you break that into 5 $20 bills, you now have 5 fungible tokens. Some of you may be wondering, what are the uses and values for an NFT? And some of the main ones are that they can turn digital assets into one of a kind owned by an individual. They're trustworthy, easily transferable, and allow you to maintain ownership rights. And all NFTs have unique information like who owns it and who sold it, which makes them easy to verify and authenticate, which is key in knowing that your JPEG isn't just something that someone took a screenshot of and sent to you and is charging you $1,000 for. So the key takeaways in this for what an NFT is a blockchain certificate or a smart contract for your collectibles, and they're different from cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or coins because those are fungible tokens. As you can see by the picture in the bottom, fungible, semi-fungible, and non-fungible. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.
Nike's on my feet, keep my cipher